Alrighty, good morning, gang. How are we doing? My first live stream of 2024. Let's go, Gypsy. Alrighty, let's do what we do best. We start in a minute. Alright, just getting everything set up. Awesome, let's get this on the road. This party. Let's reduce that music. I don't even remember what music I was playing over here. Alright, decent. Alright, let's get this day absolutely popping off. So since then, I've been funded maybe 200,000 since December with the Forex funder, and we're gonna go ahead and pursue FXify and funded engineer for some more funding. Let's see. Alrighty, looking at it, let's break down the charts as we always do. Alright, and let's see what we can catch today, if we can catch something. Feels nice, feels nice. Alright, to start off with, we always start on the monthly when we're doing our top-down analysis. So right now the pairs I'm trading are GJ, GU, and that's my main focus. I do have EJ, EU, and gold. So basically the same thing, one with GBP, one with Euro, right? So it kind of gives me a good look at it. When one thing doesn't look too clear, I look at the exact same thing except with a different influence on it. And gold I really don't trade that much, but I take a look at it. But let's start with GJ. Monthly time frame, we close bearish, rejecting, because you can see the wick is bigger than the body itself. So we go to the weekly. What is the market structure showing us on the weekly, right? Market structure is very clearly bullish. So when you look at your higher time frame, your weekly is bullish. You formed a high up there, you formed a low down here. So now you try to find potentials on how. Okay, what you're gonna look at. Are we gonna continue bullish or are we gonna continue going down? Let's see, guys, hit that like button. Let's get this started. Alright, so we see there's a resistance that's formed over here, which we rejected twice at 191. Pretty good resistance. You can see the daily time frames trying to reject this level. So I'm just going to draw a small resistance up here from there to 250. Doing the same thing, following the law of the QPs from none other than Mr. Drew Banks himself. So that's my resistance. This is my previous market structure high. I already know that we've broken this previous high, so I'm keeping in mind that we can pull back to this point. But as long as we don't take out these lows, right, we're shaking and baking to continue up. Alright, so you can see what we're looking at. This is the previous market structure low. The previous market structure high. Alright, so looking at it, we're now at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, when we look at the market structure, right, this is a low, a high, a low, a high, low, high, low, high, low, high. Now we've taken this lower. Can you see this? So this is a previous market structure low for this. So there's a potential to continue down to this point because we know that this is a weekly market structure low. So this is the previous daily market structure low, previous weekly market structure low. You see that, Gypsy? So we're just looking at these market structures. So I could definitely pull back down here. Looking at this big move up, I'm just going to take my Fibonacci to the lowest to the highest point. We're right at the 61.8 and the 78.6 is down there. Remove my Fibonacci and search for the nearest QP. Flat level, 250 level. Done. So you can see we have 4 QPs right over here which we're looking to continue down towards. Let's see. So that's on the daily. You can see the way we've rejected this previous daily resistance. Okay, so we broke this low. Now we need to see where we can come down from. So since we broke this low, we could look at QP is 500 and 750. For continuation back down, looking at this zone right over here to the left. Looking at a potential zone of pullbacks. What's up with my internet? What I would say is from this zone right here. I'm expecting something like this to happen. Right over here, yeah. So I'm looking at a potential retest and continuation to the downside. Let's look at the weekly time frame. There's just a pullback on the weekly. Monthly also looking a little suspicious. So yeah, I think maybe max to max, let's say this level right over here. So I'm gonna put this down here at 189 flat. You can see the zone of rejection right over here, Gypsy, which I'm keeping in mind over there. So I'm looking for a rejection from here since we've taken out the previous daily low, right? We're looking for continuation to the downside, so I look for something like that. 60-70 pips should be easy. Let's see what the pullback looks like. I want to have something like this repeat, like the breakdown, the retest over here to continue down. Same thing over here. Let's see. Interesting, eh? Let's see. Been taken out, lots of market structure has been taken out. So let's just take a look at this. So this bullish market structure has still been playing. So nothing has changed from that, so let's see. The major market structures have not changed, which is bullish. The minor market structures have changed, which is bearish. This is a previous daily market structure here. So let's see how it gets us going. Yeah, so it needs to retest the QP before I take a trade. Let's look at GU. GU is the one I was waiting for the longest time, man. I'm really irritated with GU. But it's okay. Looking at this. Previous market structure low. $250. You can see the previous market structure on GU was going up, right? Now we shifted it. You see that? So the shifted market structure gave way to that, and I wanted to sell from right here, but it just stayed stagnant for a few days. I didn't get an entry. And it continued. $30 for an 85 pip gain would have been fantastic. see. Yeah, interesting. So of course the goal would have been to get in from there. Have a small stop loss to come down for 100 pips at least. That was nice. Yesterday it gave us such a clean move to the downside. So same thing I'm gonna wait for. This change in market structure, either break below, retest and continue. As we always do, like given this, right? Right, change in market structure, retest, continue up. So that's the best kind of moves to me personally. You catch a lot of pips and it's the best. Let's get it. I'm not really seeing many trades that I can take today, considering these are edge supports. We're approaching highs on Euro, JPY from 2008 crash. Will history repeat itself? History repeat itself. Let's see what the market structure is like. $500. Let's go to the daily time frame. Same thing, you can see this market structure crawling up. You're right over here, plain and simple. Let's see, 500. So we've already taken these lows out. You can see we've already taken them out, retested and continued. But the question is, okay, from this daily swing low to this daily swing high, how much room do we have to move down? We have this and this. But going down to the lower time frame, I need to mark those market structures clearly. Right now it's bearish, so I'm still expecting this to continue down. But look at this. I'm very thrilled about this. If we break above this zone, I'll be super thrilled. So either we reject this zone to come down. How many pips is there? 100. Or we break up to continue going up. But no trade until we break either of those. So let's see. Not yet retested any of the QPs I'd like it to retest, so still a little time left. What news is there today? USD news 7:30. Let's check euro dollar. And we're gonna check the FTC also. Weekly is coming down very strong since yesterday. That was 60 pips today. Look at this, such clean market structure on the daily on Euro USD. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Just look at that market structure, so clean. So clean. So Euro USD, look at it. What did we do previously on the weekly? We shifted market structure over here. Right? So we took out this low. Now we're looking to make a lower low. So that's why when we look at euro dollar, we need to be cautious and careful. Here we have some good sell zones. What is this level? Maybe 250. So we need to be careful of this zone. This zone is the zone that flips it. So we have to decide now what are we going to continue looking for. Because Euro USD was a good sell all the way from up here. Here. So that's about 200 pips away. So that's been since 21st of March and we're in 2nd. So that should be about 10 to 12 days of a good sell. You can see the impulsive legs going up, impulsive legs coming down. It's important to stick to what we're doing, right? So guys, hit that like button. Say what's up in the chat so I know who's there and what's popping off. Eight. 4 hours. Dangerous. I wouldn't buy GU yet or EU yet. This is all a waiting game. We have to see whether GG is gonna come up and reject, or is GJ gonna go up and start breaking some highs. Right, it's all dependent on that. GU has this nice big open candles up here now. So let's see whether those big open candles allow us. Yo, top of the morning, what's good? How we doing? What are we looking at? What are we looking at? What pairs are we buying and selling? Let's see, what are the trades that you guys are taking? Let me know. Waiting for a retracement on gold. Yeah, gold is just so sturdy, man. Gold is just too sturdy. Gold has just been going up and up and up, and it hasn't been pausing for a single second. Gold is in its own trip right now. So let's see. Yeah, gold is super sturdy moving on up. For me personally, what I would like to see on gold is the market structure to continue the same way. We had a pullback, we started breaking highs again. So looks like gold has potential to continue up. I wouldn't want gold to break this low, of course. I think gold can very well continue up from here. Right over here, this area. Previously we pushed up from there. I'd say potential to pull back and continue up. $37,500 to $20,40. Perfect. My QP is looking at the same thing happening. But I would really like to short GU or GJ. maybe from here, if we reject, I need to tap into my QP and then reject. Gold, I think we need a retracement. So gold, it's better to trade on the higher time frames. You can see how clean it is, right? This one taking out all these highs, retracing, continuation. Then we take out these highs here. So we just need to wait and watch. Those who trade gold on a daily, you guys will be more familiar with it. I for one do not trade gold on a daily. I trade GJ and GU on a daily. Let's see. Alright, let's look. Any potential pullbacks? What do we think is gonna happen? I need to touch one of the QPs at least. Broken structure on the higher time frame down here, but it's not what we think, it's what the market does. It's not about what we think the market is gonna do, it's what the market actually does. We have to be adaptive to the market, super adaptive to the market. That's the only way to attain profitability. When you guys are adaptive, you'll be like on the market, not behind the market. So let's see. Be patient and wait for it to come. A lot of things happening in the market. So looking at it, looking in hindsight, right? Where could you have taken sells, right? After the change in market structure over here, right? We were moving up. After we took out those lows, that was the first change in market structure. We had one retest over here to continue down. That could have been a trade. We pulled back, continued down. Over here, this was the market structure low. You can see. After coming back up, retesting market structure low, we dropped. Retested it again and dropped again. So what we could have done is simply followed market structure. Right? Market is always trending. Same over here. You can see market structure moving up here, market structure, market structure. So the way you could have caught any of these trades is by just following the market structure. You can see it's very clear. For me, I've been taking trades on GJ and GU, and the market structure has been playing out pretty well. So we came down, right? From the high, created a lower low. That was the high. We broke the high. So the market structure is clearly shifted. Retest, continuation. You see that? Then if you go to the lower time frame, you created a low and a high, broke down, retested. It's simple, guys. All you need to do is look for market structure and be patient, because market structure takes time. You can see even over here, you could have taken this trade based on the break of those highs. Here we took out those highs, retested, continued up. But the market structure has already shifted. Right? It's like a inverted head and shoulders to continue up. So as we continue, things will change. As we continue, you find new market structures, then keep going. Yeah. Just stay consistent to the plan and the process. Now I wish I held my GU shorts. Last week itself I was trying to short GU many times. And I was only getting 20-30 pips. I was hoping for a bigger move, but it didn't happen then. But this week, Monday, bank holidays, bang, it moved down. So what do you guys suspect that GJ is gonna do? What do you suspect gold is gonna do? Hopefully we get some market structure that looks decent to trade. Oh, this summer's gonna kill us. Yeah, man, it's too hot. Way too hot. GJ looks good to continue down. London opens in 3 minutes, I guess. 8 minutes. New York 5:30. Alright. Alright, so hit that like button, say what's up, tell me which pair you guys are looking at. It's just that I'm not gonna be pushing any trades today. We're gonna be waiting. Let's keep doing what we do best. You can see the way this market structure is broken this low. So as long as we don't take out the high, we can take a sell from here, 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 and here. As long as we don't take out this high. It just depends which level do we pull back to and which level do we continue dropping from. Gypsy, what's plans for the day?
No plans, man. What about you?
No plans. Just,
I think usual.
yeah, waiting for Bolivar Island.
Tomorrow, that is.
Yeah.
It should be launched a little later, though. Isn't it?
Pardon?
It should be launched around 6 p.m. or 6:30 p.m. Yeah, for us.
Yeah, around 8 o'clock in the night. Guys, let me know which pairs you want to look at. Let's see. Geo is in this range. We need to see whether Geo is gonna break up or not, because Geo has a long way to go up. If it does. We're at support right now.
Needing stuff behind you. Then we had a correction.
You can see our GJ struggling right here. We need a retest. Let's wait for a retest.
Even before October.
Alright, beautiful. GJ is pushing up.
Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. Just have to.
Where shall we go? Geo looking interesting. I want Geo to just tap into this and give me an engulfing of some sorts. Potential to continue down is massive. That's why I'm just waiting. Let's see. Gypsy, when was the last trade you took on that account?
Quite a while back, man. Give me a sec, I'll tell you.
Hmm.
Oh, January 25th.
This year?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, not bad. Is a buy or sell?
Take a guess.
Oh, no, okay, tell me which pair.
GBP, JPY.
Buy?
Sell.
Hmm. Why were you selling?
Guess. There's no solid reason to sell. You lost 0.28 on that.
0.28 is fine.
Minimalize as much as I could.
Yeah. January 25th. Oh, January 25th. Sorry, one second. It's Thursday. Oh, you traded in a consolidation day.
Yep.
Yeah, it's okay. Happens to the best of us. What was your risk on that trade?
Risk as in how many pips?
Yeah.
Initially, I kept it for.
No, like, was it like a 1% risk? Like, were you risking $250?
No, 0.01. I'm just messing around,
Oh,
trying some stuff. I saw the consolidation, yeah, so I knew I wasn't going to get anything.
yeah,
I'm thinking about a set and forget probably, but you know.
that's good. That's good. Many people will continue to try and push even though it's in a consolidation.
Oh yeah, I've learned my lesson super hard on that.
Yeah. Beautiful. I think this is the London candle, yeah. But we haven't tapped into anything. Just gotta wait for price to pull back into the zone for a nice retest of the break of structure, and we can take a look at it. So there's this thing which I use also, Gypsy, called the CFTC report, and
What's
it's
that?
called the commitment of traders.
Okay.
So you can look at the positions that dealers, intermediaries, asset managers are in on a particular currency.
Okay.
So you can see the amount of positions, the change from which.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
When did you start using this though?
Towards the end of last year.
Okay.
Yeah. It's very helpful when you're looking at long term.
Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful. You can see GJ's pullback. Now let's start looking at GJ. The pullback was necessary to give us a good retest to then see how we could potentially take a trade. Tap into zone. Now all we gotta do is wait to see how candles react. Euro JPY has closed bull bearish engulfing, but it never tapped into any zone also. Yeah, it didn't tap into a QP. So bearish engulfing is only relevant when you've tapped into a QP. So let's see, there's this big gap also that's there which we could fill in, 25, 30 pips. But mostly like looks like sells. Hmm. Gypsy,
What's up?
what's the plan? Finishing work? How much work
Huh?
do you have left?
My voice broke. Sorry, what?
How much work you got left?
Again, can't hear you, man.
Wait,
Your voice all muffled.
check, check.
Check was clear. What do you say?
How much work you got?
None. Finished.
Alright, guys. Thank you for joining us. I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place.
Hopeless guy.
Uh,
Yeah, but yeah, nothing's happening.
okay, yeah.